So what we have here today is the Mavic Mini Propeller Holder, and why we have this is basically so when we are traveling light where we don't have it in a specific Mavic Mini case, you'll notice that the propellers will just kind of go free. So you got to be careful with it, putting it in a bag or in transporting it. So what this will do is actually just lock the blades in place, and that way you can just stick it in a bag. Obviously you want it to be somewhat protected, but you will be able to put it in a bag and not have to worry about the blades going all over the place. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box. It's a pretty plain looking box here. So let's go ahead and take the knife. Looks like there's a got the instructions. Go ahead and take a look at this. So we'll go ahead and unsnap. Right like that, maybe. There we go. And then this will just go ahead and slide right off. There we go. Yeah, so this is kind of like a molded plastic and like a pleather strap here. Looks like this guy will go right underneath. This will snap right in and it'll hold the blades in place. And then it also comes with a strap as well that you can go ahead and loop through there. If you want to go ahead and hold it with it. I probably won't use the strap. And we've got the instructions here. Yeah, looks like it's got the strap actually around the person's neck. I don't see anyone actually doing that. So let's go ahead and put it on the drone. All right, so looks like these pieces here go where the propellers go. So what we'll do is kind of put those in place like that. And protects those. Go ahead and slide this guy around. And then we'll move the propellers out as far as we want. And just like that now, the blades are protected. These propellers and motors are protected as well. And we'll be able to put that in a bag. All in all, looks pretty good. I think with this, the drone will be perfectly safe in some sort of a padded bag. Obviously, you want to have it somewhat protected, but the nice thing is these propellers won't be going all over the place. Don't have to worry about them breaking. So all in all, it's a pretty inexpensive piece. I'll go ahead and put more information in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below or tweet me as well. Have a great day.